What you doing, hon?
Just tidying up the house. It's me and Amelia. She's got her music. She's happy.
Just going about your business around the house.
Yeah. This is what we do all day long, isn't it, darling? Say yes, Mummy. Oh, now she fusses. It's okay, sweetheart. Should we play it again?
Yeah, play it again.
She likes to put her mouth on it. We've got Peter Rabbit. He's along for the ride too.